In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add to Wishlist on Temu. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save items you love and what to do if the usual Wishlist option isn't visible on your account yet. First, open your web browser and head to the Temu website. Starting on the website keeps things straightforward and makes it easy to follow along with the interface most people see. Once you're there, log into your account. You'll typically find the sign-in option at the top of the page. Logging in is important because saving items is tied to your account, so they'll be there the next time you return. Now here's something to be aware of. On some accounts, the wishlist feature might not appear yet. Temu sometimes rolls out features gradually, and availability can vary. The wishlist usually shows up as a heart icon on product pages or in product listings. If you do see a heart, that's the indicator Temu uses for saving items. If you don't see it, don't worry. There's a simple workaround that many people use. If the heart icon isn't there on your account, add the item to your cart instead. Think of your cart as a temporary wish list. To do this, open the product page, pick any required options like size or color, so you're saving the exact version you want, and click Add to Cart. You can leave the item in your cart without checking out. This keeps it easy to find, compare, and revisit later. A quick tip: because your cart is acting as a wish list, be mindful at checkout. Double-check what you actually intend to buy versus what you're just saving for later. Prices, coupons, and stock can change over time, so it's smart to glance at your cart periodically to see if an item's availability or cost has shifted. If an item sells out, it may move to an unavailable state, but keeping it in the cart still helps you remember what to look for when it restocks. This workaround isn't ideal, but it's a reliable placeholder when the heart is missing. The moment the wishlist feature appears on your account, you can return to those cart items and save them the way you prefer. Until then, using the cart keeps your picks organized in one place. That's it. Open the Temu website, log in, and if you don't see the wishlist heart, simply add items to your cart and leave them there as a temporary wishlist. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep track of your favorite finds with less hassle.